back to Home Decor 101. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved and approachable styles, the modern farmhouse dining room. Now, this style blends rustic warmth with modern simplicity, creating a space that's inviting, functional, and effortlessly stylish. So what makes a dining room a modern farmhouse? Well, picture a balance of traditional farmhouse elements like weathered wood, shiplap walls, and vintage-inspired lighting, paired with sleek lines, neutral palettes, and contemporary touches. A typical modern farmhouse dining room might feature a large wooden dining table, perhaps reclaimed or distressed, surrounded by a mix of upholstered chairs and maybe even a bench for that casual, family-friendly vibe. Think colors like soft whites, creams, and warm grays, accented by black metal hardware or light fixtures. To bring in texture, add a jute or natural fiber rug under the table and layer in linens like cotton or linen table runners in subtle patterns like checks or plaids or stripes. Also, lighting is key. Oversized industrial-style pendant lights or a wrought iron chandelier gives a modern touch while still feeling somewhat rustic. Open shelving or a classic sideboard is perfect for displaying farmhouse decor. Think ceramic dishes, mason jars, or glassware. And don't forget the greenery. A glass filled with eucalyptus stems or a simple potted plant adds life and freshness to the room. The beauty of modern farmhouse dining rooms is that they are approachable and easy to recreate. Stores like Magnolia Home, Target, Pottery Barn, and Wayfair, and of course Amazon, offer amazing modern farmhouse pieces that can help you achieve this style. If you love cozy, timeless spaces that still feel fresh and updated, this look might be perfect for you. So go ahead, mix rustic charm with modern simplicity and create a dining space that truly feels like home. Enjoy the rest of the video and happy decorating.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me